Now you would have noticed from the name that side swipe cross is a combination of two jump rope tricks. The first one is side swing and the second one is crisscross. I've done a tutorial on both of these jump rope tricks on my YouTube channel, which is this one, or you can click on the link right here. But still I will tell you how to do both of these jump rope tricks right now. The first one is side swing. To perform side swing, you have to choose your one hand, which is your right hand or which is your left hand, through which you will be swinging the rope, and the other hand will act as an anchor or support. So right now I will use my right hand to swing my rope from one side to other side, and my left hand will act as an anchor. Let me show you how to do that. I will be swinging my rope. Now you can see I'll be swinging my rope from one side to other side using my right hand, and my left hand is just acting as an anchor. That's how we perform a side swing. Now I will tell you how to do a crisscross. To do a crisscross, you just have to swing your rope and make a cross using both of your hands, and then jump, and then uncross your hands, and then jump again. That's how you perform a crisscross. Let me show you how to do that. Swing your rope on your back side, and then make a cross, jump, uncross, and then jump again. That's how you perform a crisscross. After perfecting both of these jump rope tricks, you practice side swipe cross. To perform side swipe cross, you just have to follow 5 simple steps. Step 1 is to make a side swipe cross from one side, which is going to be right side. To do that, you just have to start swinging your rope from one side to other side, keeping your right hand on the top, and then while you go to this direction, swing your right hand to this side and make a cross. Now practice this as many times as possible until you get comfortable with this. You have to swing your rope again this side, keep swinging it this side, and then make a cross. Practice this and then move on to the second step, which is doing the side swipe cross from this direction, which is the left side, which is my left side. To do that, you just have to do the same, but this time your left hand will be at the top and you will be doing a side swing from one side to other side. And now when you practice this, make a cross. These are going to be 2 steps which you need to perfect first to move on to the third step. Third step is finally adding a jump while you are doing a side swipe cross. To do that, start with the side swing, go to this direction and cross and jump. You have to do the same from this direction as well, keeping my left hand up. Practice this much. That is all we required in a third step. Moving on to fourth step, we'll perform a side swipe cross on the right side and on the left side, and we'll also uncross our hands in the middle. Now I'll explain it to you by showing it to you. To do that, we'll start with the side swing, keeping my right hand on the top and doing a side swipe cross, uncross, and then again. Finally, in the fifth step, we'll perform side swipe cross on both directions, the right side and on the left side, but we'll be eliminating the uncross we did in the middle. To do that, we'll start with the side swipe again. We'll start with the side swing again from one side to other side, and then make a cross, and this time my left hand will go like this and make a cross, and that's how we perform a side swipe cross. I'll be showing it to you again, this time in slow motion. Check me out. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. I try to do in slow motion as much as possible. I hope this helps. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions, please comment below. I'll see you in the next video.